This week's release is Shakuntala Devi on Amazon Prime, and Vidya Balan plays the protagonist. Shakuntala Devi was a child prodigy and a genius mathematician. It was an incredible feat for an Indian woman. But did she have to pay a price for her brilliance? Stay tuned to find out.
तुझे कैद कर लूं मैं अपनी हंसी में आ फिर कहीं तू उड़ जाए ना.
While we know that Shakuntala Devi was known as a human computer, she was an astrologer and an author, and she briefly forayed into politics. She never received formal education because her parents used her talent to make easy money to run the household. What we didn't know that while Shakuntala Devi made complex arithmetic problems look easy, her personal relationships were quite messy. Motherhood and maths were both important to her, but she didn't know how to balance it. This film focuses on Shakuntala Devi, the mother, more than the mathematician.
पापा मुझे भी स्कूल जाना है.
स्कूल तुझे क्या सिखाएगा? तू उल्टा स्कूल को ही सिखा देगी.
Vidya Balan plays this complicated character with exceptional ease. Shakuntala Devi loved to travel, and she had an unquenchable zest to live life to the fullest. She wore bright saris to boring conventions and made maths fun for her audience. But she also had an untenable relationship with her parents. She felt the pressure of being the sole breadwinner for the family and hated the fact that her mother never stood up to her father. She wanted nothing to be like her mom. But did she do any better?
10 साल बाबा आप भूल सकते हैं पर मैं नहीं. 10 साल तक माँ ने मुझे आपसे दूर रखा.
There's a beautiful scene in the film where Anupama, Shakuntala's daughter, feels overwhelmed as a new mom. Her mother-in-law kindly explains to her that there is no way to be a good mother. It's always either too much or too little, never just right. Despite Shakuntala Devi's best attempts, she has a very difficult relationship with her daughter, played by Sania Malhotra. While traveling might be a dream for many children, Anupama hates living out of suitcases around the world. Living under the shadow of a famous mother and away from her father makes her bitter, and she is convinced that her mother loves maths more than her.
जितना प्यार आप मैथ से करती है उसका आधा भी अगर आप मुझसे करती तो.
तुमने मुझसे मेरा मैथ्स छुड़वा दिया.
अपनी बेटी की देखभाल करने के लिए आपको नोबेल प्राइज मिलना चाहिए.
The men in the film, Jishu Sengupta as Shakuntala Devi's husband and Amit Saad as Anupama's, are effective in their parts as the supportive partners. They understand the fiercely independent streak of their spouses and are often caught in the crossfire between the mother and the daughter.
इंटेलिजेंट और गुड लुकिंग आदमी का बेबी चाहिए ना मुझे.
कब लाऊं बारा?
बेबी चाहिए था, पति नहीं.
The daughter doesn't see the mother as an individual. She sees her as a parent who should have had everything figured out. The mother has her own emotional baggage from the past and doesn't realize that she isn't always making the right decisions as a mom. This film doesn't put the mother on a pedestal as the epitome of sacrifice. She is her own person and flawed like everyone else.
हमारी माँ ने अपनी पावर ऑफ अटर्नी का इस्तेमाल करके तुम्हारी सारी प्रॉपर्टीज बेच दी.
वो लड़ाई चाहती थी, अब उन्हें जंग लड़नी होगी.
Director Anu Menon handles this biopic with skill. The various aspects of the enigmatic mathematician's personality are nuanced. Menon presents the mother-daughter relationship as a complex terrain that needs to be negotiated together. I'm going with 3.5 stars for this one. This one is for all the mothers and daughters out there who seem incompatible, but all that is needed is a different perspective. Please share your views on the film with us, and don't forget to like, share, comment on this video.
आप बाकी मॉम्स की तरह नॉर्मल क्यों नहीं हो सकती है?
जब अमेजिंग हो सकती हूँ तो नॉर्मल क्यों बनूं?